combinations, and as well as all the students in the last class we have discussed about the concept of what separations of solid and solid and liquid. Now we are going to discuss about liquid and liquid separation method. Liquid and as well as the liquid combined together at that time. How to we are separate that mixture? That is now we are going to discuss. There is two methods are there. Two methods are there. One is our fractional distillation. Okay, first thing is our fractional distillation. Second thing is our use of separate funnels. Yeah, all the students listen carefully. There is a liquids are one is a combined with another one in the two ways. One is the miscible, another one is the immiscible. Which one is the called a miscible liquid? Which one is the called immiscible liquid? Miscible liquid is nothing but one is a mixed with another one. One liquid is a combined with the another one. It is a called what miscible as liquid. Okay, clear or not? One second, the milk. Okay, now yes, already we are added the water to it. It is mixed with one another or not? It will be not look like in a separate mode. Suppose you consider a petroleum industry. The petrol is a combined with the what actually petrol, kerosene, diesel, gasoline, everything will be together. It will be available for us. Okay, clear or not? And here the things are called miscible liquids. Immiscible liquids are nothing but one liquid is not mixed with another liquid. Okay, clear or not? That is called what? Immiscible liquid. Suppose you take a water and oil. Okay, now they are mixed with one another. No, they are contain some separations. Okay, now that type of the things are called immiscible liquids. There is a fractional distillation we are used for the what? We are used for that type of miscible liquids. Okay, now yes. In that process, there is we are used the what heating process, or otherwise there is a yes the fractional distillation. Means what the miscible thing is required up to that particular temperature. We are heated the things. We'll get the what that liquid from the yes mixing. Okay, got it or not? Yes, and when we are taken somewhat petroleum, suppose you required only the milk. Okay, now we want to do what here? We have to do, there is
chemistry.
Yeah, here we are using the what actually in this particular destination. We are using the yes, by using the heat, we vaporize something. The remaining thing will be made. Suppose we require the water or otherwise the milk content from the milk. What we have to use? We are heated the water or a milk. Okay, now yes, combination of milk and water, whatever there, we heated it, and from that one the milk is totally disappear, and there is a milk is available, the water is become vaporized. Okay, clear or not? Up to some particular thing also it will be contain the milk component. You know very well there is a paneer. How to prepare it? Yeah, we are heated the milk content up to 500 degrees centigrade. Okay, from that one solid things are made get from us, get for that particular milk compound. Okay, remaining thing will be vaporized. In case the vaporized things are collected and cooled down, that will be only called what? Distillation. Okay, now here we not totally distilled that thing. We used the water fraction of amount only we distilled. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a total distillation we are not taken. Yes, there is a which part we are required in a miscible liquid. Up to that only we are heated the thing. You get that yes, whatever material is miscible in that. Immiscible. Next one is a what? Immiscible. Uses of separate funnels. Suppose there is a water and other oil is mixed in somewhere. What we have to you? You have to separate. Okay, now funnels we are using. Got it or not? We are remove the whatever the lighter thing it is there first, then the whatever the okay now yes heavier thing is there, it is the deposited at bottom. Okay, got it or not? Yes, in that way there is using separate funnels only they are differentiate that liquids. Okay, liquids are contain different densities. Okay now yes, in case the different densities are there, they are invisible. They not mixed with one another. Yes, easily by using the funnels, we are separated the things. Okay, na that process is called what? Separation of using the metals. Okay, that is only the things. Now there is explanations are given for some particular methods here. Yes, separate methods of induction. Whatever the given here. Separate of techniques, some simple things are not a given. Yes, somewhat technical things are given. Chromatography is given, how it will be works, and as well as filtration they given, and they given what actually next evaporation they given, detonation they given. Okay, clear or not all those two? And about the things they given clearly in our textbook, separation of liquid and liquid mixtures, especially. Yes, simple distillation they given, fractional distillation they given, separating funnels they given. Yes, and how it works. There is a magnetic separation also they given. Okay, clear or not? And as well as some other methods are also given. Some other methods are what? Winnowing, fishing, and other sealing and hand teaching. Yes, these all the things are given. These already we are discussed in our regular some regular topics. Okay, now we are going to discuss once again what is the process experimentally we are taken for this operations purpose. Got it? Yeah. First we are going for that. Yes. Principles involved in a separation of a component of a mixture. Yes. Yeah, you know very well what the main principle for the separation of the mixtures. First thing is the physical state. Okay, clear or not? Yes. How you get the idea of the separation? Yeah, they are not a contain a physical state or state. Which physical state it is a contain? Somewhat solid, somewhat liquid, somewhat gases. Okay, they are mixed with one another. Okay, easily may possible to. In case it is vision for us, it is easily may possible. Or depending on the color, depending on the size, depending on the physical property. Only we are divided the things actually. Okay, clear or not? Not only sometimes physical properties, sometimes we are used to the chemical properties also. That chemical that is not a contain same chemical combination. Okay, clear or not? And because of that, there is we have to compulsory separate the things. Like that, we are taken a fundamental principle. What is the fundamental principle for the separation of a mixture? The mixture physical state. Okay. Yes, which state it is a contain and what the continents are contain the states. Okay. Now, actually, total mixture state is a what? It is a solid. The solid is not only formed because of solids every time. Sometimes there is a what? Liquids are also involved and that will be converted as a solid. Sometimes the gases are involved. Sometimes there is a the gases are converted as a liquids or otherwise the gases, otherwise the solids. Or otherwise, sometimes the solid may are heated, it will be converted as a gas. That is a mixture of the gas, but it is not actually solid. Actually, gas, not it is. Okay, like that, we are taken a what is the original physical state of that substance. Yes, and how to we are collect from it, either cooling method or heating method. Yes, there is a in case it is physically absorbed by us, no problem. But it is physically may not absorb in that particular state. Okay, yes, got it or not? Example, it will be taken somewhat. Here we are taken exactly what it is petroleum products only. Their petrol is a given so many byproducts. You know very well the petrol is a given what tar coal. Okay, clear or not? Means what it will be? We call it is used for the roads preparation purpose. Okay, damper we called it is in our regular language damper. Okay, clear. Black color thing it will be available on the roads or not. That will be comes from petroleum. Okay, now clear or not? Actually, petrol is not look like in a liquid. It will be look like in a solid only rocks. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that rocks is a drilled. The byproducts make it. Okay, got it or not? Yes, depending on the byproduct nature, we separate it. Okay, clear or not? Yes, like a main thing is about a physical state. What the physical state it is required for us, what is availability there. Okay, in case there is a physical state, it will be contained in a whatever the liquid format. Okay, na that are both the solids are only there. Yesterday we are discussing salt water. It contains salt inside it, but it is a it looks like in a liquid form. I'll get the salt from it. Yeah, once check it, there is all the sea water. Sea water contains salt. But when you observe the sea water, it will be looks like a salt. No. Okay, how will we get it is? Yeah, because of evaporation of water. Okay, now the salt is remain in that particular field of a salt. Okay, clear or not? When you go for a beaches at that particular place, somewhat nearby it, there is a what they are separated some water. Okay, by some small bags. Okay, clear or not? And after some days, when you go for there will be not appear the water. They will be get somewhat a big mountain like a white color things. How it will be get? After some days, the water is evaporated. Just the bottom contain the solid things. Understood my concept or not? Here there is a mixture is a contain solids, liquids, gases. But what we require? Suppose you require solid from the liquid, we want to evaporate the liquid totally. We remove the liquid totally. We'll get the solid. In that, there is a what main role played here? Physical state of the substance only main role played here. The fundamental principle is a what? A physical state of the constituents of the mixture. And the next one is what? The difference in one or more physical properties of the constituents in the mixture. Yes, we want to separate any mixture. We have to should know what is the physical states of constituents. Okay, now in that one the liquids are there. In that one the gases are there. In that one what it is there, what physical state present it will be there. What its actual physical state. First you have to know that. Second thing is the what? What the second thing? What is the second thing? Yeah, what is the second thing we have to do? What the suppose somewhere there is so many physical quantities or physical states are same, but any one of the physical property may not change for two constraints. Okay, clear or not? In that there is so many constraints are there. All the constraints are contain same properties? No. Any one of the property either may color or may size or may any other physical property may not same. That should have to recognize and then you separate that physical state based on the physical property. Got it? This is only about the fundamental principle for the separation of mixtures. Got it? Yeah. First thing is constraint physical state. Second thing is physical property of the physical constraints. Got it? Then next year, they given what one of the best method, that is only what a chromatography separation techniques they given how to be made a chromatography. Just a minute, all the student. Yeah, once check it on the screen, there is a chromatography diagram. It is there. Sorry. Sorry for inconvenience. There is a sharing is not possible here. Yeah, look at that. There is a chromatography means here. There is a when you check it. Only one thing here, chromatography. Tomorrow, if it is a sharing is possible, I'll send the video to you. Once check it. There is a simple thing you have to do in your home also. This chromatography experiment. Okay, you take a mixture of any particular substances. Okay, yes, that all the substances not react for a ink same method na. Same color change may possible for all. Suppose you take a paper, it will be gives one type of a nature. Suppose you take a water, it will be gives another type of nature. Suppose you take a milk, another type of nature. Got it or not? Same ink change may get not it is. Depending on the physical property of the substance, there the ink is a given different color for us. Okay, you know very well simple thing. Acids and bases. Suppose how to be recognize acids and bases by the litmus paper. Same litmus paper. Okay, now it is a changes. It's a color for acids are a one type and a bases are another type. Okay, clear or not? Yes, depending on the nature of the substance, the changes the ink color also. The colors are also. Okay, clear or not? You know very well. You add the iodine to the milk. What happened? It will be converted as in a black color. Okay, now clear or not? Yes, and the same thing are considered for oil. It will be given another color. Got it or not? Some particular chemical substances they changes their colors. Okay, based on the substances. By using this property only, the chromatography is working. Got it or not? You take one particular substance here, original substance here, and whatever the solvents and whatever the solution things are there, they changes their color. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, the same ink is not a contain same color nature for different substances. Okay, got it or not? Yes, and you take a somewhat whatever ink contain in our particular sketches or otherwise anything. It will be checked with the water, it will be checked with the oil, it will be checked with the milk, it will be checked with any other substances. It will be gives a different nature. Okay, got it or not? Yes, by using this, what you understood, there is a substances or changes the color for the one another substance. Okay, clear or not? Yes, compare with the one substance with another substance, the colors are changes, the response of the color is changes. Got it or not? That is yes, by using this thing only we consider the what chromatography is a what separate the mixtures. Okay, clear or not? When there is a suppose there is a orange color may get, suppose may there is a red color may get, suppose may get there is a yellow color. Depending on that, yeah, this substance is a reacted as yellow color means it is a this particular thing. Example already I am given. You take a mixture of all the things. In that one there is somewhat acids are there, somewhat bases are there, somewhat another things are there. Okay, clear, salts are there. When you take a litmus paper, okay, now yes, you take a blue litmus paper that will become as a red for acids. The same red litmus is a become as a blue for a basis substances. Got it or not? Yeah, like that, it is a changes. It's a color for depending on their physical or chemical properties. Okay, and by using this property only, yes, by using this chromatography, chromatic nature means what? Colored nature. Okay, monochromatic single color. Yes, chromatic means what? Colored. Okay, the colored are changes for substances. Depending on that thing only, we are decided that substance is belonging to that group. Okay, in that mixture, this much of color, this much of substances are there. There is may get three colors. That same ink is converted as in a three ways. Okay, now what happened? There it will be contain three mixture substances. Three substance mixture it is. Okay, depending on that, there is be divided that all the mixtures. When there will get one color, yeah, that will be separated from it. When will we get another color, we separated from it. Like that, we separate the mixtures. Got it or not? This is only chromatography. Okay, and next, after this, there is we have the one more property is there. That is only filtration. Okay, yes. There is a paper chromatography. Two types of chromatographies are there. One is based on a paper, another one based on the gas. Got it or not? And here filtration. This is also one of the separation method. Okay, clear or not? Filtration is a good separating insoluble solid from the liquids, and absolutely substances is the one of the does not dissolve. Sand, for example, can separate it from the mixture of the sand and water using the filtration. That because sand does not dissolve in a water. Yes, one substance is the purely dissolved, another substance is the not dissolved. Okay, by using the filtration easily we are changes it is or not. Yesterday we already discussed the T. T is the best method to understand the filtration. Why? Because the tea, whatever contain the tea powder, whatever contain the property that will be adopted by the milk. But that whatever the tea powder it will be. Okay, the tea powder is not a mixed with the milk. Got it or not? It is not a mixed with the milk. It is not dissolved in the milk. Okay, sugar, it will be dissolved in the milk, but the tea powder not dissolved in the milk. Okay, easily by filtration we are separate the that our yes what it is tea powder from it. And like that sand also, sand is mixed with the water by using the filter. Okay, na yes. It is mixed with the water. No, it is not mixed with the water. It is mixed in case it is not dissolved. Mixed it is, but is not dissolved. It is not added. Sand is not added with the water. It is possible to add it, but it is not dissolved inside it. When one is dissolved, one is two mixtures are there. Two substances are there in a mixture. One is not dissolved in the that mixture easily by filtration method we separate. Okay, now yes, and here evaporating is a one more separation method it is there. What is that evaporation? You know very well. Yes, and yes, what we have to do? We provide a lot of amount of heat up to boiling point of a liquid. Okay, that is the boil, and at the bottom it will be remain like that only. Now, our textbook also they given like that things only. Okay, they given a what? A salt water. Okay, now the salt water is the heated. The salt whatever there it will be remain at the bottom. Okay, clear or not? And the remaining water is become evaporated. Okay, now the salt is remain at the bottom. By using the hot temperature to provide to the any solution, it will become heated, and the heating thing is evaporated. At the bottom, somewhat remain. Okay, now the solids are remain, especially the solids are combined with the liquid. At that time, we are using this thing. Okay, why? Because the solids are yes, will get as a one of the yes, whatever the bottom side it will be get, and the liquid is evaporated. Liquid's boiling point is what? More than the solid. Automatically it will become what? Yes, boil, and the remaining things are deposited at the bottom. Okay, there is a given that is that type of the things only. Yes. And next one is the detonation. The process of transferring clean liquid without disturbing sediment and is called detonation. Okay, now detonation means what? Actually, sedimented things are separated and the clean liquid. Actually, when you take a water, whatever the water we are drinking, which is served by the municipality or other any otherwise any other government sector, they come from where? Come from rivers. The river water is very clean. No. Okay, now the river water is a combination of all the things may available. Okay, what they are doing? You doing is all the things. Filtration, detonation, and all the things. After filtering also, there is so many dust particles are there. The dust particles are sedimented at the bottom. Afterwards, the clean things are only collected. Okay, and that will be chlorinated, and then after is served by the municipality. Got it or not? A detonation means what? After the separation of the things. Okay, now we'll put it is in a without a disturbance, and at that time there is a heavier things will be going at the bottom. Okay, that things are called segmented things. That segmented things are kept it like that only, and the clean liquids are separated from that. It will be only called detonation process. Got it? Or yeah. This is about our somewhat a clear explanation of somewhat from whatever the separation techniques, and more some techniques are there. We are going to discuss about the techniques in next week. Okay, thank you.